And then before we wrap today, Brian, want to talk about our Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got for us?
Domino's Pizza. No, I'm kidding.
It's not called Domino's Pizza anymore. It's just Domino's.
I don't. That's not my widget.
Well,
Anyway,
Brian's phone, he had Domino's on his home screen, so that tells you a little bit about Brian.
it's a story. It doesn't matter. So the app that I have, it's an iPhone app, and I'm sure it's on Android too. Will give you free automatic backup for your photos. Now I pay for iCloud, I pay for Google Photos, I pay for Dropbox, which I'm going to get rid of a few of these. But I'm adamant about having as much backed up as possible. You never know when you're going to lose something, when something is going to get broken or corrupted. So having multiple backups is huge. But this one just came out from Amazon. Amazon has an app now, Amazon Photos, where you can do free upload, or you can upload your photos and have unlimited photo storage for free. It has a limit on video storage, and it's kind of a pain in the ass to upload them at first, but
Make it sound so appealing.
no, but I mean, you upload it overnight, you turn your phone upside down, you're good to go. But it's something that's new, and I'm utilizing it for just now. This is the first time I've actually thought, what's their game plan here? I'm curious what they're going to use, if they're going to use any machine learning to see what I'm taking photos of. To what
Amazon machine learning, never.
To send me certain ads, or if it's going to analyze screenshots. That's the first time I've really thought about it in this situation. But also, I don't care if they know that I have a 4-year-old and they send me photos or they send me ads for birthday gifts for a 4-year-old. I'm okay with that. I gotta buy them anyway. So, anyways, Amazon Photos app. That's my widget.
Cool. I'm going to go the app route as well. This is an app that I've downloaded a couple years ago that's something just to help build a little investment portfolio for yourself without any effort at all. And what's cool about this one is that every time I go, let's say I go buy a Starbucks and it's $4.36, what it'll do is just debit my card for $5. Or the extra 64 cents, depending on how you set it up. If it's two separate cards, they're the same. But whatever. It rounds up. Every time you make a purchase, it'll round up the difference. And it'll take that 64 cents and put it into an account for you. And I've been on this for a few years now, and I'm sitting on like $3,000. Just by like 20 cents here, 60 cents there, 30 cents here, 90 cents there. Sitting on thousands of dollars. And that's pretty cool. And then what it'll do too is you could choose to invest it into different types of like stocks or portfolios, which is cool. So now that money can go in there, and hey, hopefully you've had a good year like we've had the last year, and now the value could also increase. So you're not only like just building up spare change into this account, but you're also letting it grow with the markets. So it's called Acorns, Acorns. Acorns, really cool. And hey, if you sign up, probably got an affiliate code for it, so DM me, and we'll both make a little money in the process. So yeah, Acorns is cool. It's nice. I know Thomas, who's producing the show, he's got a few $1,000 sitting in his account as well, just from 30 cents here, 60 cents there. So it's a pretty cool service.
Neat.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you tuning into the show today. I hope you got a ton of value out of it. Want to thank you so much for watching this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.